All right, let's do it. BTC looks like it wants a little higher potentially. This is a rejection zone, guys, so be careful. There's a lot of stuff on my chart. Let's get rid of some stuff. I'll keep that. Get rid of you. Get rid of you. Keep you. Get rid of you. I don't need you, and I don't need you. Cool. Let's see. Can you start a pot of water for mac and cheese? Mac and cheese and kids. It's like gold. So, yeah, guys, looking at XRP daily chart, we're kind of, I would go up higher. I like the 2-day the best. I'm going to ignore this lick wick here. But we could potentially be breaking out here for all you formation people. Potentially. Actually, let me let the community know. I'm going to do, let the all right, let's do it. All right, guys. We're bearish, right? XRP overall bearish. Barely. It's kind of weak, depending on the time frame. Bunch of SFPs. Bunch of SFPs. So is this going to be a model 1, right? Maybe 1, 2, 3. We go. It's not looking totally out of the equation. What's up, Rep? Welcome back, brother. If you look at the oscillator here, we're kind of doing the same thing where it looks like it may want higher. Let's go to the body candle close of this guy. No, we'll do the wick. It's fine. Same jazz. All right, we're bullish. These are the retests. Maybe, maybe not. Who knows? All right. Retest, retest, and then you come over here. Retest again. Oh, boy. Ugh. Let's bring the XRP up to the good list here. We don't have news. We did not have news today, right? We have it on Tuesday. Jobs. And then Wednesday. GDP. Spendings, income, unemployment, maybe? No, manufacturing. Okay, so next week will be juicy. A lot of volatility. Maybe not juicy, maybe more of a pain in the ass, but that's okay. Go up. Don't be stubborn. So here, 24-minute. We broke. We got the bully divergence, the curvature coming up, money flow coming up. Right? This one's lower than this. Right? Boom, 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 boom. Maybe. It doesn't look terrible. It's not where I'd love to get long. I would have loved to get long here, which would be probably, I don't know. I would not pull that one. I'd probably pull it from here. Same thing, 786. Not too shabby. And we should be moving up. We should be moving up. What are y'all thinking? What's going on? let's go to Bitcoin real quick. No, the 6 hour start of the daily. See, Bitcoin's looking strong. I mean, if you adjust it there, we're out. We're up and running here, guys. Yeah, we're up and running here. We are above the value low. We're bouncing close off of the POC. There is 100% an order block here of some time frame and or supply. There's definitely a lot of cash here. We are at 95.5. Little birdie told me there was a lot of liquidity at 95.4, so we took that. Is it going to act as a spring? Is it going to reject? I'm under the impression we may fill. It may get rowdy in a little bit. The wife is coming home with 3 kids. They're coming back in 10. We got 10 minutes. Then maybe I'll hop on later. I was not expecting them to come back this soon. They probably told me, but I don't listen. Seems to be a real problem I have. Problem of not listening to people, especially my wife. I mean, you could pull something like that. I like the body candle closes, guys. I really do. Like this, right? Boom. Boom, right? We broke above this. Come up to this one. Doesn't always work out this way, but you'll notice trends sometimes where it's just silly. We break above this, I'd expect something, upwards of this trend line. We got liquidity up here, so even if it takes time a little bit, right? I doubt it's going to happen today. Fridays typically stink. But we'll see. What's XRP doing? Cool. Let's go to the 4 hour. We're still bullish, right? We're still bullish, guys. ETH broke bullishly. I don't know why I'm not going on the ETH tab, but it is what it is. Yeah, I mean, right, a little retest. We come up. Using it as support. We continue up. I wouldn't hate a retest down here, though, like I said the other day. Yesterday, maybe. I wouldn't hate it. Would not hate it. All right, this is typically my link chart. Let's make another one for XRP. Solana. So we got above this guy. No, we didn't. I mean, we are, but barely. I wouldn't really consider this. Let's see. Let's keep going up. See what time frame this is the highest structural point on. The 10 hour. Yeah. Okay. So it would be the 10 hour, right? The 16 hours a no-go. The daily's a no-go. Yeah. Okay. So I'd be more interested in the 10 hour for this particular location with this SFP potentially coming in, right? On the on Sol. All right, we have SFPs here. Do we have? Yeah, right. So it SFP'd here too. It did. And if this does not break above this, it's kind of like a ladder, right? It's still weak. The oscillator's looking strong, but it'd still be considered weak. I do think XRP may go today. There's a chance. But yeah. Today. Where are you? And I'm so sorry. I would expect turbulence there. That fib. Definitely expect a little turbulence. evenly. Wow. Let's see what that is. Why do I have that blue box there? Must have been showing somebody something. Let's get rid of some stuff. Get rid of you. Get rid of you. Get rid of you. Get rid of you. We can start fresh. Okay. I just don't love the structure. If I was going to do anything, guys, honestly, structure-wise, I don't know if I'd consider this big, these candles here. But at the end of the day, I mean, we're in this now, right? We're in this fib pull from this structural point. We never came up into it. So we're into it now. So it's definitely a rejection zone. Naked point of control up here. If you were to pull like this, be the golden pocket, but I'm not going to play that game. It's a whole zone for me. It is what it is. Link. Link's got good curvature, right? All the way back here, boom, coming up. Bullish divergence, nice curvature. We broke the downward trend line, right? We got to break this high, maybe come up, retest, then go. I mean, it also may explode like it did here. But then keep in mind, this is a 12-hour, right? It took 65 days, give or take, to get down there after this retest here, which would have been a hell of a trade. But XRP, guys, I don't know. I mean, is this like one of those insane moments right now, or this is the projected target here, right? Do something like that, something like this. Ay, Dios mío. That's crazy. Excuse me and my child. Bear with me. I'd take a peek at something. Where's the 15? Let's look up XRP on a different chart. Let's try it at the Binance chart. I don't think it ever got up this high. That's what I'm looking. I want to see if the price ever got to the 15. I don't think it did, but I don't ever pay attention to it, so don't mind my stupidity. No, I don't. Binance, just crypto in general. Yeah, see, there you go. That's a bigger chart. But, oh, wait, what? Oh, fuck. Look where we are. We're rejecting off of the high. Wow, this could be super explosive here. Right? We came down. Bigger level internal demand zone here. We tapped into it. I guess we'll see. Let me go back to the buy bet. Now I'll go back to the daily, or the 2-day it was. Looks juicy, guys. Whether it happens or not, it's a different story, but it definitely looks juicy. Link, same jazz, right? I wish I got in here. Why wasn't I paying attention to this? This is textbook. Stuff like this, right? You're looking for, a visit of the high again, give or take. That's where we are, but we did. This is the target of like a rising or some type of wedge here. I'm not even going to bother. I don't like looking at stuff that way. I like just looking at zones. Take it at the beginning of the zone or wait for a change of character of some sort if you're actively staring. Otherwise, a couple bucks is not going to make or break me to get me out in a high confluence zone versus a projected target of a inverse head and shoulder, or rising wedge, or this or that. It's just not how I do it. Yeah. What are you guys looking at? Anything good? Am I missing something here? I do have a little coffee left. Hey now. See? Break out, retest, come up. What are we really retesting? Right? Can't make this shit up, guys. You just can't make it up. What was the leading indicator of this? Maybe the overall curvature. What's the 1 hour looking like here? Money flow's coming out. Not divergence, but like it resets here, kind of, sort of. Not really, but maybe. It's tough because we had such a big move up. But what's the overall objective? It's kind of tough to say because Cardano had this crazy move up, but I mean, we're here. We tested the extremes of the range. Failed to take it, so are we going to reclaim this high? Yeah, hell of a move. You know, if you've gotten on this retest here and held on, that's just almost 100%. It's 90% with, you know, as is, spot. Be impressive. XRP, I am very interested in you. Did a little back testing last night on it, guys. That's why I'm not against it, especially when it's looking, you know, Model 1-ish, coiling up. Right, we have the same thing down here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I mean, there's so many different models here. Oh, I was supposed to put a pot of water on. I did not. I'm going to get yelled at. I think Fridays suck. Let's see what today brings, but I think Fridays suck. How do y'all feel about Fridays? They suck. Smash that like button, guys. If you haven't already, I don't know how many people are even in here. I hear the wife coming up the stairs, so we'll break it down quick because I'm gonna have to go. XRP, I'm looking for this breakout, guys. Remember, we are bearish. You know, this is definitely an area of interest for a short. But if we don't, I mean, somewhere up here, if not higher up. She's hungry. Cardano, same thing, right? Maybe a big move up. I don't know. If you want to pull a fib here, we got supply, probably order blocks, Fibonacci. You know, we could be working our way up. Look for a flip here for a retest down, but it may be a retest for a continuation. So you got to keep that in mind. And then Link, same thing, kind of. Everything looks very similar, right? Was this just one big retest? I mean, we've seen it in the past where it works like this, and you're slapping yourself saying, "Why didn't I see it?" Like, why didn't I have a limit here? Came down. Boom, we go. SFP at 786. We rotate. It's just a higher time frame picture, so it could take a while. I don't know, Brett. That's all right, though. As long as I'm in your heart. That's all that matters. And then let's look at ETH and then Bitcoin quickly. Yeah, dude, guys, it all looks the same. It really does, right? If we don't break this level on ETH, look for some type of flip for a short. We got a lot of naked point of controls, weekly naked point, daily, weekly. And what that means is that you pull up the daily chart and you pull a fixed range on one candle. See how we got a POC here on this one candle, and we haven't come back and touched it, so this would be naked. That's all. Just acts like a magnet sometimes. But yeah, ETH, same thing. Break it down, 24-minute. Yeah, we break that. Let's not look bad. Yeah, guys, I mean, this is an area of interest. We are bearish, right? So if we do get a flip in here, yeah, I'm looking for the short personally. But, bigger picture, I think that this is also a 10-hour little range here. But 12-hour and up, right, it's all the way up here. So we can still break out of this, come up, and then kind of come down too. Just be aware. It looks bullish right now, though. But we'll see how all this liquidity up here that Bitcoin has just grabbed treats it. It could act as, a spring for an explosion up, or it could act as a hard rejection. Yeah. How was your walk? How was the beach? Yeah, Moana. Yeah. Yeah. Kids ready to rock, guys. Bitcoin, same thing. This is a rejection zone. Like I said, this is a monthly naked point of control here. Yearly open, we just broke above. Previous day high. I mean, honestly, kind of looks like it wants to double top, but I don't think it is. I think it's just going to go, right? Maybe. Maybe not. Maybe not. But I mean, worst case scenario, you take no trade. I'd be looking up here somewhere. We get this. Boom. Boom. We're in the golden pocket too. The big pull down. Let's pull it from the daily. It's easier to see for y'all. Right? Top to the actual low. I mean, you could pull to this wick here. You could pull to this guy here. These all levels of interest. You get a flip, you take it. Just have a realistic target in mind. If we do for some reason flip, I'm going to be looking somewhere in here, one way, shape, or form for something, for some reason to get out, take profits, and get long again potentially. Yeah, that's it. We're at a high confluence area for a short, guys, and we're also in a high confluence area for it to spring out. I'm watching XRP because I want it. See, we broke bullish. I'd probably pull from this guy. Yeah, see, this is not bad looking. All right, guys. Anybody got anything? I got a scoop. Sorry for the short one. Sometimes it'd be like that. Appreciate you, Pickles. I got much love, man. I do. I appreciate you. I'm going to take that as a whole lot of nothing. I'll give it 10 seconds. If I get nothing good, I appreciate you all for swinging by. Nice and short. Maybe I'll stop on later. Maybe I'll get live again later. I'll let you know. I'll put it in the Discord too. And we'll take a peek, see what the day brings. But it's about to be lunchtime on a Friday. I can't see it getting too juicy. If it does, it's going to happen fast. So, all right, guys. We'll catch you later. Thank you.